people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. I share budget friendly DIYs and beauty videos, so make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button down below. And in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 to 4 gifting options for Valentine's that are really budget friendly, because I'm going to use candies and chocolates in it, and they come in various budgets from low to high, and you can choose according to your budget and work further. So I have used candies like Merlin, which is 5 rupees, gummy bears, little hearts, and cute candies like that. Also, I have a couple of videos up on Valentine's. I have the whole playlist, so you can find the playlist in the description below. They are on different kind of full package gifting options, how you can use various kind of gifts and be creative with that. So if you wanna know any of that, please click on the I button here, maybe, or here, I don't know, locate it. And without blabbering much, let's just get right into the video. For this DIY I'm going to use this container. I think I got coffee in this, I don't really remember, but I saved the container. I thought I would do a DIY maybe, and that is what I'm doing right now. So the idea here is to fill the glass container with candies and scrolls. So now you can do 3 layers of candies, chocolates and scroll, or you can opt for flower petals. Whatever you feel, whatever according to you is the best, you can use that. And you can also decorate the glass container. I'm not going to decorate mine because I have already used colorful scrolls and colorful gummy bears, which does the work, you know. I also attached this cute little card. I think it looks so adorable. I got these templates printed out from canva.com. Some of the templates are free. You can personalize a small message or note, and you can print it out and paste it just like I have done. Now next I made a hole and attached it around the neck of the bottle with the help of a ribbon, as you can see, and that's pretty much it, and it just looks adorable to gift it to your loved ones. Now this one is literally from scratch. I grabbed this wooden block, it can stand also, and I got it from my office. There was some woodwork going on, and I asked if this was a scrap piece if they don't need it, and they didn't, so I grabbed it. And I got a photo of me and my sister printed out, and I'm going to paste it on this block. Now I'm going to crop this image, and as you can see I'm not doing it straight because I do not want it to be like straight and neat. I want it to be rough. You can paste a photograph of you and your partner. I think it will look so cute and down to earth. Now if you have a Mod Podge, great, but if you don't, I got your back. You just need to mix glue and water, but make sure you do that 50-50, as in 50% glue and 50% water. That's it, and you have your Mod Podge ready. All you have to do now is just paste. I also darkened the color of the wood block I had because I wanted it to look more dark and rusty, so I used a couple of brown shades to paint the corners and the frame. As you can see, you can do the similar idea with the rock too. Instead of wood block, use a rock, and I've already done that and I gifted it to my mother. It's still there. It looks adorable. I think it turned out pretty on point. What do you guys think? Please comment down below, let me know your thoughts. This I'm going to use this file because I do not have a cardboard. If you have one, go ahead with it. Now I've placed these candies in a heart shape so I can map out where and how big I want my heart to be. As you can see, I'm drawing the heart freehand, but if you're not good at it, no problem, use the internet. Just download an image of a heart and you can trace it straight away from your screen, keeping a white copy on the screen, or you can just get it printed out, your choice. Now as you can see, I'm doing a second layer. That is because my base was not hard, but if you are working with cardboard, you need to skip this step and straight away move to sticking all the candies. Now I have placed everything. I just have to use the sellotape like so and just paste all the candies. After sticking the candies, as you can see, the blue space is peeking through and it looks really ugly. So I'm going to use this beautiful glitter and I'm going to cover all the blue space with the help of a glue. After covering up the space, it looks beautiful, but the finishing touches. I made this card, a small card which opens up to a personal message that you can write inside. On the front of the card I pasted a heart, like you can see, and please don't pay attention to what I write, it's gibberish. Just write what you feel, what you want to convey. And I pasted the card same way as I pasted the candies on the cardboard. Now you can also decorate it. I'm just pasting 2 cards just to show it to you that you can decorate it furthermore if you want. Lastly, don't forget the ribbon, it adds on to the cuteness. And I think you can also use a cellophane paper to wrap this gift and then use a ribbon, a thick ribbon above the cellophane paper. It just looks so adorable. This is how mine turned out, and if you guys try it, please tag me on your photos on Instagram or Facebook. Just tag me there, or you can even send it via email. I'd love to see your recreation. So for the last DIY, I'm going to use this jar. I got this from Big Bazaar, and I'm going to fill these little hearts inside the jar. Now I'm not going to fully fill it, I'm just going to kind of make a rim, as you can see, and then I'm going to insert a brownie in between that. Now if your partner does not like chocolate, and well, let's assume they like tea, so you can fill in the jar with tea bags, and you can be creative with your gifts and go ahead with it. So this is what it looks like from the top, and I also added a card. I made a template from, again, canva.com, and I made a hole on the card and then tied it around the neck of the jar with the help of the ribbon. I think this makes a really pretty complimentary gift. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do share it with your friends. There are very few days left for Valentine's, so let your people know, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.